Thank you very much.
Nagagis na yun. Ito yung momentum eh. Kaya nagagis sila ng momentum na yan. Natapos kami na Hindi. Wala. Ano ba yan? Relax na kayo. Wala. Lumabas na rin sila. Oo na, muna nila ako rin.
Apa itu?
Pauwi lang tayo. Nakago pa rin.
Mamaya, mamaya. Oo. Papalubot siya nito. Ay, sa Vikings pa.
Ang nagagis sila ng ano. Cuma.
We remind our guests to please exit immediately but in an orderly manner. Photography cannot be done inside this hall.
Kami ng estudyante na yan.
Thank you to our graduates, and once again, congratulations. We have come to the end of our program. We shall now sing with pride the NTC hymn. This will be followed immediately by the exit of colors. We request everyone to remain standing until the color guards and the members of the stage party have finally completed their recessional. This has been your Master of Ceremonies, Mr. Casimiro B. Reyes. Thank you for joining us. Please all rise.
Rice. Only rice too. Ari.
As a fellow and proud alumnus of the National Teachers College, it is my honor and pleasure to lead you in your alumni oath taking. Please repeat after me as you pledge your loyalty and commitment to our beloved alma mater. I state your name, do solemnly swear to perform willingly my duties and responsibilities as a member of NTC Alumni Association. I promise to abide by and devote my time, talent, and skills to its humane goal and principles, in order that I will be a pride of my beloved alma mater. So help me God. Once again, congratulations everyone and welcome to NTC Alumni Association.
We will now listen to our graduates for their graduation song.
We are the river, we are the dream. We dance through the night, in the bones we can feel it. Heading for the stars,
Baka mo nga iharap mo lang doon. Iharap mo lang doon. Iharap lang. I-zoom ko lang.
Okay na yan.
Oo.
we've been waiting for this moment to come. We've been waiting for this adventure with you. Eyes open wide and the world is before us.
Hey, Anthony! Kasama!
We
Kita mo?
are the sound of a beautiful chorus.
Kasama siya.
Holding to the feet
Maganda yun.
when we are together, we are bright.
Siyempre sa
already proven our courage through silent sacrifices, endless struggles, and the determination that brought us here today. The courage to live truthfully means recognizing our fears about future while boldly into it anyway. It means being honest about our limitations while refusing to let them define our potential. To our selfless parents and families, to Inantang Lao who guided us, to everyone who believed in our capacity to rise, this is our truth. We will never give up. This is our time. Let us embrace it truthfully and courageously. Pagbati Class of 2025.
Thank you, Ms. Chokson. Mr. Gerald B. Belaño, Gawan Haraya finalist, will lead the solemn pledge of graduates, while Mr. Michael John M. Jacobo, treasurer of the NTC Alumni Association, will lead the alumni oath taking. Graduates, please all stand.
Solemn pledge of graduates. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Conscious of the gifts and the responsibilities which my education in National Teachers College has endowed me. I promise to be loyal to my alma mater, my country and my God, and to render service to the best of my ability to my fellow Wibu.
Teachers College, led by our President and Chair of the Board, Mr. Alfredo Antonio I. Ayala. To our distinguished faculty members and academic supervisors, to the members of the graduating class of 2025, our families, friends, and guests, good morning. 1 week before graduation, I found myself confronting an uncomfortable truth. I felt lost and anxious about what will come next. And I know I'm not alone in this feeling. But today, I want to share why embracing both truth and courage has shaped who I am, and why these virtues will guide us as we step into the world. I come from underprivileged family. My father, once an overseas Filipino overworker, now drives a tricycle, and I am immensely proud of him. As a community scholar for 10 years, I learned early that opportunities requires both honesty about our circumstances and the courage to persevere despite them. When I entered college, I had dreams to land my dream job, to give back to my
DJ
parents,
shopping.
to live my family's quality of life. But the harsh truth about the healthcare system forced me to want more. I witnessed my mother avoid medical care, worried about expenses she couldn't afford. Here's the truth that changed everything. In my third year, my mama passed away from a heart attack. She died worrying about medical costs instead of focusing on her health. My family and I carried the weight of this truth, that fear of financial burden can become a barrier to this life itself. This tragedy demanded courage. The courage to continue despite grief, to transport guilt into purpose, to keep striving when everything felt overwhelming. While juggling responsibilities as both a community scholar and youth leader, I discovered that courage isn't the absence of fear. It's moving forward while carrying the truth of our struggle. My fellow graduates, life demands both truth and courage from us. The truth is, our journey will be unpredictable, filled with challenges we cannot foresee. But we
No, tapos parang sinade niya yung part ng anak
We
niya.
welcome on stage our Vice President for Academic Affairs for the announcement of special awards.
Gawad Haraya is the highest institutional award at graduation. It has two important meanings. First, it means pride, dignity, and freedom. On the other hand, it means vision and imagination. Inang Tanglao believes that the term Haraya best fits the meaning of the highest award at graduation that characterizes the NTC graduate as may pangarap, may dangal, at may kalayaang piliing maging mabuti ang pamumuhay. The award is conferred to the student whose journey at Inang Tanglao has been marked by the genuine pursuit of the kakampi values that stand for kahusayan, katapatan, malasakit, pagkamalikhain, at integridad. The awardee's mindset, character, and habit demonstrate what a genuine kakampi is. From a short list in each school, 3 finalists completed an external panel interview and a speech. There shall only be one winner per school. I shall ask the 2 finalists from the School of Business to stand up as their names are called. One of them will proceed to give the speech on behalf of the graduates. The other will lead the solemn pledge. The finalists are Gerald B. Bilaño, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. And Aimee O. Tiocson, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. We shall now ask Ms. Aimee O. Tiocson to give the speech on behalf of the graduates as finalist of Gawad Haraya.
Pag nabuti ka ano ko, nakakonect.
to the key officials of National
Shaimee Glomar. Tubalias Rose Ann Perez. Tumbaga Jesnim Hernandez. Urbina Desiree La Rosa. Balyada Iris K. Tolentino. Vasquez Gabriel Angela Bautista. Bertinisa John Alves Manalastas. Vicente Hannah May Casaldan. William Martin Ronald Jr. Evangelista. Brillantes Josie. Bertuso Evelyn Ariza. Alcedo Shelo L. Cum laude. Alagon Rachel M. Cum laude. Tanyote Maurice.
Na-Facebook na. NTC? Dito yung kapatid. Ha? Baka mga kaklase. Tapos yun eh. Patingin ko. Ay, sa NPC mismo galing. NPC. Wala ko nandiyan. Nag-ano ata ng live yung anak niyo. Nangangalay na ako.
Pereras Andrea. Quirino Jonachel Patricio. Ramos Angelica Joy de la Cruz.
Pangalawa sa baba.
Relusco Crystal Syra Alejo.
Ate!
Rodriguez Joel Jr. de Gracias. Rosales Kylie Claire Machon, cum laude. Salmo Gwyneth Mercado. Samson Jesse Batoto. Santos Gabriel Peña. Santos Janelle Cuarto. Susion Rica Camata. Sumakulu Ralph Carlo Nolasco. Takay Abrieli Batidor. Takud Divine Grace Blanco. Padle Denise Ann Artus. Talia Karen Arceo. Tanyo Rochelle Joyce Cabalay. Tolentino Hannah Pauline Orejola, cum laude. Toribio Shaira Marie Dacuba. Trillian Laudiana Angeli Igu. Lumamba Crystal May. Madden Ramseline Aguinardo. Magaway Jury Sanenes. Manatad Mary Joy Remosura. Manatad Camille Torrejas. Malindan, Jordan Taruk. Mangulat, Marvin Lloyd Ferrer. Manipol, Erica Mases Rebalde. Manligas, Rubilin. Mantes, Angeline Julio. Mayo, Geraldine Zacarias. Medina, Edwalyn Endaya, cum laude. Medran, Karil Andreana Linco. Oledan, Raquel Ann Victorio. Fontin, Renaline Vicente. Oranda, Jessel Rose Mahusa. Alino, Mary Joyce Balginan. Patula, Andonet Joy Matiga. Pedroso, Josel Ann Francisco.
Ang pangit naman yung picture niya doon. Ano yun?
Perez, John Philip B. Endon, Ruela Jean Aquino. Enriquez, Alina Jane Johnson. Escano, Gwyneth Kim Leano. Escaceres, Loris A. Gusilatar. Esmeria Angel Villagonza. Esteral Kenneth Clark Almendral. Evangelista Robbie Prado. Pailogna Joyce Oresa Delgado. Ponte Jameen Red, cum laude. Ronda Jasiel E. Galen Maripe Castello. Garcia Nicole Fernandez. Garcia Cristel Dumalay. Gaza Maria Lourdes. Glinogo Nicole Ann Bobiles. Gracio Christine Alita. Guevara John Red Rogacion. Harn Tristan Kiel. Iglit Ira Buenape. Javier Cyrene Lingan. Lacanlale Maui Anua, Loyalty Awardee.
Diyan na, malapit na.
Lara Kiana Stephanie Resco. Katwiran Daisy Jean Rebaño. Kawalig Crystal Ann Parva. Claros Andrea Arguelles. Cometa Eliza Jean Torres. Cortez Christian Darwin Veloso. Crespo Cyril Bustos. Guarneros Maria Elizabeth Obispado. Quering Princess Don Gallo. Dakanay Camille Ocampo. Dasian Mary Joy Passion. De Guzman Erin Julia Navarro. De Guzman Ferbian Macapagal. De La Paz Mirna Joyce Balagtas. De Leon Crisel Aliana del Rosario cum laude. De Vera Angela Kyle Henner. De Vera Angelo Luis Tolentino, magna cum laude. De Hucos Cherry May Una. Diones Iron Nazarene Nicole de la Cruz. Dizor Mary Jane Micaela Sambas. Domingo Erica Germaine Basugan, magna cum laude. Program Excellence Award. Elige Alejandro Paramon. Adora Renaline Vigor.
Video na lang, may picture ka sa isa.
Agosto Chantel Nicole C. Loyalty Award. Aliera Clarence Ilaga. Aventurado Micaela Joyce Venosa, cum laude.
Kanina yan.
Baishong Bia Joy Torres. Magalay Joyce Ann Recanya. Valdez Soto Cherry Ann Hernandez. Bandong Christine Joy Galicia. Benisil Junaira Muhammad. Baquero Alitea Joy Gavilo. Batigas Jan Paulo Daños.
Pagit lang po.
Bendoy Roxanne Semeniano. Bergonio Patricia May Lorraine Alinio. Bermudez Roel Joseph. Christine Ann de Guzman. Kagunon Jemarie Rizzo. Karingasan Jennifer Espiritu. Cañete Rosemary Valencia. Carabido Irene Isanel Garcia. Carilliaga Danica de la Cruz. Casicid Nicolette Soriano. Castillon Joseph Robert Tabada.
Si Antoinette, possible lang gagamit ng mga ganyan, pero ako sus.
Sabando Brent Dulay, cum laude.
Pag bumaha yung pa ako, wala, bali agad yan.
Sabet Daniela Lane de la Cruz.
Mas marami ata yung mga hospitality management.
Sagot Diana Rose Pahantoy, cum laude. Salazar III, Francisco J. Daquis, cum laude.
Yung wedge, yung paano yung gusto ko ito.
Salvador Cherry Ann Tuminghon.
Tingnan mo.
Samuel Martin Aaron Loreto, cum laude.
Kaya mo siyang gawin ng ganyan. Ha?
San Gabriel John Lester Gani.
May 3 days pa lang kasi. Kaya ko muna maglagay.
Sanchez Andrea Zaiz.
Salamat sa inyo.
Santos Maximus Daniel Abion. Sarabia Ferlian Sabar, cum laude.
Sabihin mo ganyan. Pumunta ka, nagsinkit, ang ginang-sinkit.
Sia Franz Kelvin Rizel de Jesus. Siapo Moses Sebastian C, cum laude.
Sige day, thank you ha. Papasahan ka na lang namin pag ano,
Sor John Dick Lingas.
pag accountancy na. Picturean ko na lang.
Santa Rosa Rochelle Digas.
Oo, pero may picture din kasi ako. Yung kuya kasi nag-video.
Suico Arnold Ampo.
Sige day, salamat na.
Sunga Army Tena. Tablatin David Alan Bacal.
Para doon.
Quemada Lisa Angela Mauricio. Quezon Anna Janelli Bonete, magna cum laude.
G, 1,700 yan. Dalawa, buy one take one.
Kinig Alexis B.
Nakakaiyak na nakakatuwa. Sabi ko.
Kepanes Rachel Lasata.
Sabi ko talaga.
Rosales Jocelyn Pailagaw.
Kung marami kang pagpipilian, ako talaga. Mayroon naman ako yung...
Ramos Dennis Pascual.
Alam ko, pinamasko mo pa sa akin yung matagal na 3 years na yung Parisian.
Ramos Neil Julian Damaso, cum laude.
Ha?
Raso Ia Marian Olivares.
Ano?
Regonayan Ryan Cabulay.
Kaya mamarisky ka din kasi sa akin. Mas malaki-laki na content pa ako. Sa sapatos.
Relocano Shane Maxine.
There's no marami. Ay yan, bagay sa akin yan.
Rioja John Philip Fernandez.
Shoes. Ang dami ko pagpipilian. Wala ako.
Rescober Will Mike Brian Morillo.
Yan ang pawis. Oo, nakita ko
Retana,
yan.
Rita May De Leon.
Samantala ako, iyak-iyak pa.
Reyes, Joyce Ann Agravio.
Sinama niya kasi ako sa palengke. Sama-sama. Kasi sumama ako. Yung kapitbahay namin.
Rowa, Colin John Malakapo.
Sabi namin, tapos natira na siya sa Paranaque. Umalaw sa papa niya, sabay na nila.
Rosero, Natalie Dion Peñaflor.
Ha?
Rosario, Nicole Jamil Bermido.
Yung may goods tuloy.
Rosita, Kirill Cotara. Rowan, Aaron Color. Rovedera, Cherise Ann Matriano. Ruiz, JC Batu.
Oh.
Rolyamas, Joanna de la Cruz, magna cum laude.
Baka matulog na.
Moreno, Kyla C. Marie Monteloyola. Nanan, Franco Miguel Santos, cum laude. Napoles, Rica Jane Espinosa.
Ano ba yung trabaho ng hospitality management?
Tumulong sa management.
Navarro, Eliza May Villanas, cum laude.
Saan ang kuya? Sa mga
Noveno, Raymart Cria.
hospitality management eh.
Nunez, May, magna cum laude.
Nahuli sila. Nahuli sila. Yung ano,
Octavo, Joseph Ryan Tolentino.
Pag na-cum laude, alam ko eh. Dahil bago tayo.
Olmedo, Prince
Binigyan ako
Joaquin.
ni Sarah Gindima ng 10K. Pinang ano ko yung 2K.
Orade, Chan Gabriel Salazar.
So, by 1 take 1.
Ordis, Ferry Kyle
Tapos,
Ann.
yung stocks ko, nabili ko doon kay Nanay Gayo. Yung sabi ko may ukay-ukay dito na galing sa
Ordoño, Queenie Ann Andayo.
Nabili ko 50 pesos. Tapos, tingnan mo yung Santa Lucia, matutuwa ka.
Pahe, Lovely Jane Hernandez, cum laude.
Yan, si Ate Sally, yung namin. Yung
Paradero, Leia Cassandra Aloba.
Twice pa yan. Hindi. Brand new, 1,700 by 1 peso.
Marcon, Chassin Pelaymon, Loyalty Award.
Regalo na lang tayo na. Tapos may nagregalo din sa akin, nagbigay din sa akin ng franchise, tapos bahay ko.
Pasana, Micaela Medallo.
Binigyan ako ng medal show. Medal show.
Peña Ojas, Russell Boy Fernandez.
Bagay, sorry naman. Binili yun eh. Pagkasama ako ng bumili eh.
Fairness, Sherry May of Lino.
Bagay. Kaya lang, dinalang ko. Nandun sa sasakyan. Kasi, once mapagod ako dito, hindi naman ako sanay dito. Pero ito,
Polikit,
andun din
Iris
sa
Senate.
promise. Pero kung naman,
Pontay,
ito, dalawa,
Ochi,
dalawa
May.
sa kape. Mamaya, pag wala ng preno,
Pontero, Aljaira Reyes.
dito kasi malakas ang aircon eh. Nitong nakaraan, may panibagong...
Magbanwa, Josel Gregorio.
Nasa 7K. Alam ko hindi pa kasi nga sinisingil sila ni...
Mali, Pailita Rosie.
Parang something na yun ata o bukas ang ano.
Malyari, Kyle Ivan Peñalosa.
Sana lang. Huli na lang yung pamangkin mo mag-
Manayan, Janina Benitez.
sa mga wala.
Mangubat, Sophia Marindomo, cum laude.
Yan. Tatlong course. Hospitality Management, Tourism.
Manohan, Reggie, cum laude.
Oo. Sila ang pinakamadami.
Manuel Angelo Meneses.
Pinakamadami, tourism.
Marana, Jasmine Angela Balagtas, magna cum laude.
Wow.
Marquez Alejandro Santos, cum laude. Martinez Matthew Garcia.
So, mawala lang tayo.
Martinez Justin Rex Tumali, cum laude.
Sobrang layo, sunod tourism.
Ibigyan ko lang kasi sito sa'yo.
Matias Gianni Luis Alefante. Mendive Canela Kate Borreo.
Tourism, nandun accountancy.
Mendoza Alia Dorlin Liagas. Mercado Jeremy Cano, cum laude. Michael Alexander Nicole
Gusto
Talonisa.
na lang siya, magugulat yung tempo niya. Wala mang pasok si kuya mo, kaya kakain.
Mondehar John David Serrano.
Nelson,
Monsanto Dania Cortez.
buwan ko sawang pasasalamat.
Montemayor Jamil Relis. Morales Brian Stephen Ilaw.
Oo. Kapapipicturan ko rin.
Morales Jessica Osenar.
Nariyan niya at may mama niya. Yung bata parang na-trauma.
Juan Kristen Joy Gasper. Labadan Che Hani Lodiho.
Thank you.
Labaw Mark Anthony Bornell, Loyalty Awardee.
Thank you, Mr.
Lakatango Jasper Almerino.
Sasabihin lang, maniwala ka naman dyan.
Laksamana Luis Angelo Borromeo.
Ay, hindi. Tingnan mo yung suit, yung sandal. Pupunta yun ng school ngayon, nagagabi sila. Kasi, kinukumpleto na ni Clint yung hapon. May message ko na lang. Hindi dapat pupunta dito.
Lagata Geraldine Nauha.
Kasi sa dahilan ng bakit hindi rin yung kasama. Kasi malagastusan siya. May training nga yun ngayon na bago. Alam ko siya.
Lalisa Arjen Menden Cristobal, cum laude.
Tawagan mo na ng kayo.
La Manila Patricia Denise Fernandez, magna cum laude.
Message mo lang. Sabihin mo nagbigay ng mga mama mo. Michael Viking.
Laksina Shanshay Kabakar.
Bibigyan ko ba sila?
Layahin Ronalyn Mariano.
Sino? Clip din.
Lazaro Zaira Gwyneth Santos.
After graduation natin, kumain kayo, nagbigayak ng pera.
Lorenzo Clance R.
Ano na yun, guys?
Lorenzo Sherlyn Pabalan.
Salamat sa Diyos, salamat talaga. Waiting na lang yun. Pero kinukompleto mo na lahat ng lugar.
Lovero Maria Micaela Molar.
Anong tawag nito yung gas-gaso na rin yun ng passport.
Luis Luigi Rain Hoson.
Passport. Na-interview na siya ng Rick Myers.
Mabalot Mark Hedrickson Rabino.
Ayun, nagpapapasok na siya. tuloy.
Mabute Junior Rico Cabrera.
Tapos na. Sabi ko nga po sana siya. Ayun yung pinaka-
Magararo Alessandria Cortez.
Isang training niya. Itong
Fernandez Glendon John Garcia.
di magkano kukunin ko dito sa pagkain.
Ferrer Rodalyn Ramos, cum laude. Ferrer Juana May Bandiola, Loyalty Award.
Ano yun? Yung gusto na ano? Vikings?
Catalino Lea Laylay, cum laude.
Oo, yung parang unli, ano, may mga seafoods, ano, yun ang gusto.
Forbes Mark Joseph Yu.
Pinakabago daw yun. Apat,
Galapon Yesamin May Fernandez. Galisa J. Dennis Ramos.
Meron ako dito, 105. Nabibigayan ko ng ano, kung okay lang.
Gallardo Chelsea Salazar, magna cum laude.
Ano sa Pasay? Hindi.
Gatbonton John Rex, cum laude. Gumetanga Kim Milianes.
Salamat sa mga Thank you so much.
Guico Jansen Blanco.
Masisig yung one side. Hindi na nga sana.
Golaba Jason Francis Lopez.
May 1.5 ako sabi para sana. Sabi ko, ano tayo na lang.
Gulfo Jr. Ezequias Paronia, cum laude.
Sabi sila, Ryan. Yung parang food court siya. Food court niya. Pero mas...
Gutierrez Venice Ann Pichardo.
Huwag na mo. Uuwi na lang sana.
Heredia Catherine Calma.
Mrs. ko si Chris.
Hermogenes John Paul Ganalgo, magna cum laude.
Oo, isang linggo. G, nabalitaan mo na?
Hernando Ron Adrian L. Isidoro Aaron Dasgaldo, cum laude. Jimena John Warren Pastrana, cum laude.
G,
Juan Clint Andra de la Cruz.
hindi na nga sumakay si Ramram ng sasakyan nung manggaling.
Pumakyaw Patricia May Manlico. Cueco Dios Yana Trias, Nunez, magna cum laude.
11220.
Dalirin Erika Ann Castaneda, magna cum laude.
11220.
Gano Patricia James Solimen, cum laude. De Leon Justin May Macho.
Palawan Ingredients.
De Leon Chester Aranda, cum laude.
Salamat. Thank you sa inyo. Na kaya, Anthony, nagtanong pa ako sa akin. Mama, nag-usap ko nito tanong sa akin.
De Mesa Francine Gabriel.
Nag-friend ako sa kanya. Kasi mag-jolly
De
tayo.
Vera Aston Nicole Fajardo.
Mag-jolly din, mag-jolly tayo. Salamat guys. Kasi, plano. Ay, naku guys.
Denmar Mary Ann, Gawan Sila Awardee.
Unahan ko pa ba yan guys? Para panggastos namin.
De La Cruz Colin Nicomedes. Desolan Letty May Amante, cum laude.
Salamat. Gano?
Lilasan Israel Balises. D. Khalil.
Hindi ba binigyan mo na?
Evan Kathleen May Santos.
Hindi pa kasi hindi pa nga nakakapagbayad.
Estaba Christian Bakule.
Oo.
Bohol
Survey
Ira
tayo ng
Lisen.
Jollibee lang.
Borgonya Aileen Adahar, cum laude. Borinada Katrina May Carrillo. Benaventura Krishna Dominic Macalde, cum laude.
Oo, katabi yung kuya.
Caballes Hendrik C. Royce de la Rosa.
Oo naman, hindi ka tapos dyan yan. Thank you.
Kabingatan Fresnel C.
Yan ang may ID eh. Valid ID lahat. Galing na kaya.
Cabrera Shari Ann Almodovar, cum laude. Cabrera John Michael Arevalo. Kabuwag Stephanie Grace Serrano. Madorna Delmar Kalinga, cum laude. Gahilo
Hospitality management
Janalyn Ayo.
Isa pa lang. Ang sabi ni Anthony, pwede daw yung accountancy.
Salapi
Kasi tatlong po siya. Hospitality
Robles.
management.
Candelaria J. Nicole Theodore. Cano Mark Lawrence Salcedo.
Oo, dalawang pairs eh. Ayan o.
Carcelar Isabel Villamor.
Papahabol ko.
Castaneda Ann
Nasa
Leanne
school din kasi
Alexis.
yun. Kasi mag-aasikaso ng paperwork. Dahil pasado na sa sa Rick Nurse. Sa Rick Nurse.
Cecilio Lord Frederick Kalingasan, cum laude.
Waiting na lang siya pag kung may bababa sa barko.
Cecilio
Ano?
John Kyle Malana. Casula Jane Tricia Ann Apedenaga. Servido Fiona May Sarita. Sengoliagas Francine Nicole Sampo. Clavicilia Charlotte Hassan Umali. Cordova Ralph C. Claire Aguilano, cum laude. Cruz Adrian Saang Villanueva.
Oo.
Cruz Pauline Ann Verdejo, cum laude. Garasa China.
Yung mag-load dapat.
Arbelles Joyce Ann Bagacan. Argentola Maria Alonso Gwen Vargas, cum laude.
Pinaglaban nila. Kaya lang.
Asuncion Christine George.
Kung itinuloy nila, pati sana siya ang kasama. Kasi
Bacani Benren Stephen, cum laude.
okay lang sa akin basta nakagraduate.
Pakayawa Hanson Boy Katuli. Bajon Honorin Isabel.
Basta sinabi niya na ano,
Padro Trian Angelo Walson.
yun yung parang mo dinastisan ako yung
Bahada
dikit sa mukha na
Gabriel.
yung parang naging ano ba.
Maharo Mary Rose Lucindo, cum laude.
Hindi ko alam pag-uwi dito. Yun, may mga dala-dala na. Dagat sa gabi.
Balana John Caleb Ninon, cum laude.
Siya yung
Balsita Jasper Aaron Madera.
mukha ko. Kahapon lang. Pag-uwi kasi pumunta sila ng Cleveland Market.
Balaran
Tapos
Rizan
pag-uwi yun,
Sabra,
maraming
Magna,
face yung mga
cum laude.
siya kasi nag-ano.
Baluyos, Gabriel
Nilagyan niya
Salcedo
ng
Sinuno.
pareha ng ano, plain lang. Lipstick
Banda,
foundation.
Nika Angelo Neri. Barbo, John Lloyd Martin Villar.
Wala akong load eh.
Maranda,
Doon
Cosma
sa bahay niya,
Samuel
doon
Bautista.
dito wala. Mamaya sa hirap lang uwi.
Marita, Faye Cyril Neal.
Bakit? Bakit daw?
Batara, Ian Patrick Villani. Batayo, Kurt Nicole Navarro.
Thank you. Ano man?
Bautista, Maria Lalaine Abad, cum laude.
Walang pera yun, hindi pa nagbayad.
Melanio, Gerald Baloloy. Magna, cum laude. Gawan Maraya Award. Belgado, Jamaica K. Tamelar. Beltran, Regeline Agustin. Bernabe, CJ Alice.
Salamat tayo.
Bills,
Nagbubukuhan kasi
Jason
sabi
Perdomo.
niya, Jollibee na lang tayo.
But completely. Inang Tanglaw and all of us beam with pride for each and every one of you. Go forth with truth as your foundation and courage as your strength as you begin your journey as empowered citizens. Carry with you the words of the awe-inspiring writer, Maya Angelou, and I quote, "Without courage, we cannot practice any other virtue with consistency. We can't be kind, true, merciful, generous, or honest." Once again, a very, very big congratulations to our class of 2025. We are so proud of you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Sir Fred. And now, our college president, together with our vice president for academic affairs and the dean, will now lead the distribution of diplomas. They will be assisted by the registrar. The names of the graduates, meantime, will be read by our program heads.
I have the honor to present the graduates of the degree Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Akaso, Joel Bacuti. Mahorda, Christian Pao Lee. Honorable, Gas
Maganda ka pag
Xavier
naman
Garcia. Agravante, Marian Nebrita. Magrans, Loy Ann Sanford.
Shanji.
Asan? Oh, dahil bakit? Oh, ayan oh. Ang dami, ang dami. Graduate na pa mga
Akbar, Rian Taglaman. Antenor, Princess Evangeline Maloloy Ol, cum laude.
si Anthony dapat siya. Ano, kung bakit. Kaya lang, gawa ng under. Ay, nasabi ko na lang kung nasabi ko na sa'yo.
Kapan, Fiancé Aranian.
Just graduates. You are guardians of truth and champions of courage. Truths begin with honesty about where we come from and where we are going. Many of you know the weight of poverty, the sting of being underestimated, the frustration of systemic barriers. Do not forget these experiences. Let them instead fuel your commitment to truth. But truth without courage is merely academic knowledge. You will face moments when telling the truth will be inconvenient, when standing up for what is right will cost you opportunities. In those moments, remember why you are here. Remember that the National Teachers College did not just give you education. We gave you purpose. We did not just prepare you for careers, we prepared you to transform society. Truth and courage together mean being willing to challenge systems that perpetuate inequality, even when you have begun to benefit from those very systems. As your president, I offer you this charge. Be uncomfortable with comfort. When you find yourself in positions of privilege, use that position to extend opportunity to others. Be impatient with injustice. Do not accept that's just how things are when it causes suffering upon others. Be courageous in your truth-telling. Let integrity be your guide in every difficult conversation, every challenging lesson, every necessary stand. You leave here as torchbearers of our mission to uplift the Philippines and the Filipino. That torch burns brightest when it illuminates truth and is carried with courage. The world needs torchbearers like you. Not someday, but today. Not eventually, but immediately. Not partially. Of the certification of our Registrar, Dean, and Vice President for Academic Affairs that you have completed the requirements prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education. I hereby confer your respective degrees and all the rights and privileges you are entitled to as graduates. Congratulations.
You may now be seated. Let us now hear from our esteemed college president his special graduation message.
Good morning, everyone. It is truly a pleasure to be here with you on this very special day for you and your families. To our graduates, their families and friends, please accept my heartfelt congratulations on this special day. To our team of leaders, teachers, and staff who have worked with so much diligence and patience to organize this important ceremony, I am deeply grateful. All of you, our kakampis, make our Inang Tanglao truly stand out. 4 years ago, you walked through our doors carrying your dreams that others deemed too ambitious for your circumstances. You came from communities where education was not a guarantee, but a hard-fought privilege. Today, you shall leave as living proof that National Teachers College has remained true to its promise of offering equitable access to success through transformative education. We live in times when misinformation spreads much faster than facts, when convenient lies are chosen over difficult truths, and when silence in the face of injustice has become all too commonplace. Our democracy, our institutions, and our social fabric are tested every single day. But you, dear graduates, are different. You have been forged in an institution that believes truth is the foundation of genuine progress and courage is the catalyst for meaningful change. You are not
You may now be seated. Our Registrar, Dr. Agnes L. Sunga, will now present the candidates for graduation, accompanied by the Dean.
Members of the Board of Trustees and Management Committee of the National Teachers College, led by Mr. Alfredo Antonio I. Ayala, our college president and chair, I have the honor to present the candidates of graduation of our degree programs at the undergraduate level with the official recognition from the Commission on Higher Education. As your degree program is called by the Dean, we ask the graduates to stand up to be recognized.
The candidates for graduation: Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management,
Mr. President, I hereby certify that these candidates have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the respective degree programs upon the recommendations of our Dean and upon the validation of our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Edison A. Fermin. Mr. President, we now request the official conferment of their degrees and all the rights and privileges they are entitled as graduates.
by the authority vested in me by the Republic of the Philippines as President and Chairman of the Board of the National Teachers College, I accept you as graduates of our institution. On the basis
Remain standing during the singing of the national anthem and the Kakampi prayer.
The prayer of Akakampi. Divine Master Teacher, source of all light and life, we glorify you for creating this day of joy and hope. We seek your mercy for the times we have forgotten that your unconditional love is always at work in our lives. We thank you for the gifts of excellence, loyalty, compassion, creativity, and integrity that make us a community of faith and love. We ask you to bless each of us as we continue to grow with the mindset, character, and habit necessary to build our nation and to heal the world.
The candidates for graduation led by the program heads.
Taas. Ito.